ahead and just removing this end. There you go. Let me just show you. Where is this lash? So there we go.
Doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we like. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. You know, if you're day one, if you F with me, I definitely am effing with you. And therefore, we are a crew, that part, yeah? So if you've been watching from the sidelines, it's actually your first time joining us, I'd warmly want to welcome you to this channel. We're all about good vibes here. And yeah, feel free to actually press that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time we upload a new video. So as the title today, I decided to remove my lashes simply because I had put makeup. These are single lashes and I feel there's a build-up right there, and I don't have the eyelash shampoo and I don't want to use any other, to be honest, and they just feel a bit tacky because like that part, some of it has kind of fallen off, that part there. So yeah, I thought of removing them and I was like, why not actually do it on camera? It could probably help out someone out there, and that's exactly what we're doing. So what you're going to be needing is actually, the main ingredients is any petroleum jelly of your choice, and I happen to have this one, Valon. You could use Vaseline petroleum jelly or any other petroleum jelly readily available to you. So this is what I'm using right there. So I'm just gonna scoop a bit of that. I'm scooping a bit of that, and before I actually scoop, let me just try and see if I can actually just brush them with my spoolie. You can see they're quite damaged. They're actually deformed, even the shape. So, and then there's some fallouts like right there. There's some that have actually just fallen off, but I don't actually damage my actual lashes. This side is not so bad, just a bit of fallout there, but even the glue is tacky now. I'm sure you can see them. Plus the makeup buildup, it's not looking pretty. So you just put your glue like so, you put your Vaseline jelly like so, just individually just wrap them like so, because the whole reason for this is we don't want to damage our actual lashes. So let me be looking at the mirror while I'm doing this. So just rub like that. The glue that I use is a professional glue, so I'll have to leave them at least overnight or an hour. I'll check. After an hour, I'll come and check if they can actually come off without with minimal damage to my actual original lashes. Okay, I think that part is done, and we do the same to the other eye. I look so weird. So just touch both of them together like so. Make sure the petroleum jelly is actually going on both ends, like so, like on both hands, like so, both fingers, sorry, and just kind of like massage that through. to the band of the actual glue, like where they were glued, the individual lashes, but obviously they were glued onto the lower band or to actual lashes. And the glue that was used on mine is a professional glue, so I feel like I'm gonna have to wait for like overnight. Don't mind the way we're looking right now. It's weird, crazy, but what can we do? We look weird, crazy, but the things we do. The things we do. The extremes, like this is really extreme, you know? Just go through the other eye again and just make sure that it's all patched up. Okay, so I'll be back. If it's within an hour, I'll definitely let you know. If it's gonna, I'll be back within an hour, and if I see that I'll check them out before actually filming. If I see that they're actually coming out, then we're filming that part. But if it's overnight, let's say tomorrow, because right now it's about 9 something to 10, so that means I'm gonna keep them overnight and then just remove them tomorrow. So bam. Okay, so it's been about an hour and I'm back. I actually removed the side. I think I was too quick because I was really irritated. I should have waited a little longer because I've ended up removing together with my actual natural lashes. They're fuller than this, but hopefully haven't done a permanent damage, because eyelashes do actually grow back when you look at the eyelash circle, but it's gonna take me about a month or so to regrow those babies. I'm just praying, fingers crossed, that I actually haven't permanently damaged my eyelashes. So I'm just going ahead and just removing this end. There you go. Let me just show you. Where is this lash? So there we go. And yeah, I'm just gonna continue. Remove. There's another piece. I should have waited, but yeah, what the heck? We here already. This is one last part that's a bit tight. Let me just when it comes to removing the lashes, oh god, it stings a bit because I think I should have waited. So it is stinging because I'm literally just pulling out together in my lash. There's about a few more, but we're almost there. Okay, so just one more, a little patch left. So, oh, finally.
Waiting half a step beyond our door, yeah. And if it's